Hello boaters, this is David with David's Yacht Service, looking here at a beautiful finished Palmer 60 rebuild that we did for somebody in Minnesota, and had a little bit of issues here at the end, getting everything sorted out with the ignition, and have got that all dialed in, if you will, at the moment. And so I'm ready to let go of it and let it go back home. It's a really beautiful engine as it turned out. It's good colors and it's shiny, and it runs really great. So I'm going to be starting it up here for you in a minute. But we did an initial screening on this a while ago, and I've been working on the ignition system ever since. So I'm going to hit the starter button here, and I'm going to have to plug in the ignition first, so we'll take a bit of a pause. We're all ready again here, and I'm going to reach down and hit the ignition switch, if you will, and see what happens. Wow, how you like that? Got her running and she sounds just great. Okay, got decent oil pressure for idle, and it does come up a bit when it's revved up a bit, but also we're going to have him put in some 40 weight and break it in with that. And as you can see, she's throwing oil here. It is not hot. About 100 degrees on the manifold, and we're going to speed her up a bit. Oh, you hear that sound? Yeah, it's so good. Feels good too. You can feel it here on the sound coming out the exhaust. Pop, 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 pop. Got brand new everything. Rebuilt county, new fuel pump, new carburetor, new manifold, rebuilt alternator, new coil, electronic ignition. It's just really a sweet engine. Anyway, I wanted to show her to you. I'm going to get a hold of the owner now and let him know to send us truck. Have a good day.